Hi everybody, how's everybody doing? So today I'm in Chapel St Leonards, Trunch Lane. So remember those videos I did when I first came down Trunch Lane? When I used to call it Trunk Lane. God, did I get into trouble calling it Trunk Lane. Anyway, Trunch Lane. So I'm at the end of Trunch Lane, just where the beach is. So if you just see around here, look, the beach is just over there. So what I'm doing today, I am doing a video at this new cafe takeaway called Kruzes. It's been said that the food is to die for. Another favourite word in it, but yeah, it's true, the food is to die for. So Trunch Lane, if you don't know where Trunch Lane is, it's Chapel St Leonards. What I'm going to do Google Earth, and I'm also going to try and get my drone up. It's a little bit drizzly at the moment, but I'm going to try and get my drone up and show you where it actually is. So if you do ever come down Trunch Lane and you never come this far towards the beach, you want to make your way down here because we've actually got this new cafe over here, the new takeaway called Kruzes. I'm going to ask him what time he closes and stuff like that. If you can't get parked on the side of the road as well, there is actually a car park just around the corner as well. So easy parking. It's never really busy on these streets unless it's the middle of the summer and it's red hot. But the beach is lovely as well here, you know. So if you've not seen before, you'll see some videos of the drone going around. You can see all the beach and all the caravans as well. Trunch Lane used to be really quiet. Now it's a nice place to actually come. You get so busy down there now. You know, where people always used to go to Inglemells, they like coming here now. But there's like amusement arcades, pubs, bars, shops as well further down. It's you know, it's really good. I love coming down here and doing little videos, and I will come back in the summer as well and do some more. But right, here today I am going to be doing some a food review at Kruzes. So I'm going to check out what they've actually got on the menu. So they've opened this year, and I'll tell you what, it looks really good, and it's got loads of good reviews. So I thought, right, I'm going to be there, do the first review for YouTube, get these guys promoted as well. Right, so less of the talking, let's do some eating and let's go and grab something to eat. Come on, let's go. Right, so there is actually seating outside. They're actually having a new conservatory built at the moment. So they're just putting the glass in. So I've come today when they're doing some building work, but this is going to look really good, isn't it? So if it's raining or if it's cold, you're able to sit in there eating your food as well. But there's also seating down this bit as well. But yeah, it's going to look good. How are we doing then? Are we all right?
Good, mate. How are you?
Right, so this is Kieran. So come over here a little bit more so you can see him. Check out the muscles on Kieran, eh? So my friend said, when I said I was coming here, she went, oh my God, I need to come with you. I've seen him, he's full of muscles. so you know now, all these videos going out, all the girls are going to come and see you. You know that, don't you?
Well,
yeah?
Killing them.
Yay! So Kieran's asked me to come along and do a bit of promoting for him. So we're going to have some food with him. So just tell everybody what sort of food you actually do.
We've got breakfast, all our breakfast food. So the meat is all sourced from the butchers, all fresh meat. All the veg and salads all comes from the farm shop in Chapel.
Yeah.
So it's beautiful breakfast. We've got jacket potatoes. We've got a proper Egyptian jacket potato machine.
Wow.
It's the perfect jacket potato.
Yeah.
We do burgers, chips, loaded fries.
And you've only opened this year, haven't you?
February, yeah.
February. So what time's your business hours? What time's your
We're open 8 till 8 every day.
8 till 8, right.
7 days a week.
That's good. That's good. So if you're off down the beach and you need some food, just pop back, get some food from here, can't they, eh?
Can do.
Yeah, so yeah, it looks really good. So the stuff they've got out as well, and they've got, what's the cake you was on about?
Homemade cheesecakes.
Homemade cheesecake, so I'll be trying that as well.
And a fresh salad bar as well.
Loads of good reviews about it as well, haven't
There is, yeah, it's gone crazy online.
So it's really good to see that. So
had,
what I thought, sorry, go on.
800,000 clicks in 28 days.
Wow.
Crazy.
Oh man, Nora, that's really good.
Yeah.
So now get this video out, and I want to see you lot down here and trying it out. Yeah. So we're at Kruzes on Trunch Lane. I always say Trunch Lane at Chapel St Leonards. Right, I'm going to check out the menu, see what we're going to have, and then I'm going to show you guys what we're going to have and what it's going to taste like. So yeah, I'll be getting some food. So the conservatory is just going up at the moment. They've actually just put the glass in the last 10 minutes, and we've managed to get the table inside. So the lads are just going to have a little bit of a break so we can just do this video. But once this is up and running, this is going to be really nice. And both sit here when it's windy and raining, come and have something to eat. But I tell you what, the people here are really nice as well, really nice and friendly. Thank you so much. So we've also, he's got a tattooist next door as well. So we've been talking, and I'm going to come and have a tattoo done as well in a few weeks' time. So we're going to be showing you all the tattoo shop as well. So it's just through there the tattoo shop is. But yeah, we're sat in Kruzes. We're going to get the menu and we're going to have something to eat. Right, got the menu. We have to excuse a few noises coming because the builders are here. But once it's done, it's not going to be like that. It's going to be perfect. So yes, the menu. So what we've got, so what they do, they've got the breakfasts on there, starting at $5.95, just see it. So what I'll do a view of the menu when I've stopped talking, yeah. But yeah, so yeah, belly buster, £12.50, 3 bacon, 3 sausages, 2 eggs, herb beans, tomatoes, mushrooms, 3 hash browns, 2 black puddings, and 2 toasts. I'll have to come back for the breakfast, won't I? I'll have to do a breakfast. It's dinner time at the moment, but I will have to come back for the breakfast. Also, you can have soup, you can have pasta bowls. They've got everything. Beef burgers, fries, sweet potato fries. Wow, not a lot of people like takeaways like this actually do that sort of stuff, do they? They've also got kids menu on, so you can get sausage chips and beans for £3, chicken nuggets and stuff like that as well. And then we've also got cheesecake slices as well. So I'll be coming and having some of that as well. Or I might have some today, to be honest. Toffee popcorn. But yeah, you name it, they've got it. All the drinks as well. Hot drinks. And like I said, 8 in the morning to 8 at night. 7 days a week in the summer. But yeah, what we're going to do, I'm going to have a look at the menu, I'm going to see what I'm going to have, and I'm going to go and order. Also as well, they actually got specials on as well. So they've actually do a fully loaded jacket potato, and I reckon I'm going to go for that. So how much is the fully loaded jacket potato?
£9.50.
£9.50. And just tell everybody what you actually get, yeah?
You're getting the jacket potato, chili con carne, bacon, cheese, jalapenos, garlic mayo,
wow,
hot sauce with crispy onions.
Wow. I'll try and eat it, but there's a lot there for me to eat. As you know, everybody, I've got a big belly, but I don't eat a lot. I always say that. But yeah. So also we've got the cheesecake down there, £4.50. We do steaks as well. Wow. So 6-ounce rump steak, 10-ounce rump steak, £13.50. And a ribeye at 22. That's really good. So for like a takeaway, what you've got, it's like doing all this sort of stuff. It's like a big proper restaurant, isn't it? Hey?
It will be. We'll have to extend it. Right?
Yeah, you will. You get bigger and bigger. So hopefully everybody will come down here this year, and you'll be, you'll be sold out.
Sold out.
Yeah, you have to get some more stock in. Right. So yeah, I'm going to have this fully loaded then. Yeah. Yeah, brilliant.
No worries.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So as you can see, I've gone for the fully loaded jacket potato. I don't reckon I'm going to be able to eat all this, but he told you what was on it. Jalapenos, dried onions, you name it's on it. So when we get it out here, I'm going to show you all, and I'm going to try it, see what it's like.
fully loaded. With
Wow.
jalapenos. And those are fully loaded with no jalapenos.
Wow. So my friend's with us as well, and they've actually got the same as well as me. But just show. Thank you for that. That looks lovely. That looks really good. I'm going to show everybody. Check that out. Doesn't that look good? Wow. What I'll do, I'll put it from above as well. Thank you. Wow. Can't believe this. This looks stunning, doesn't it? I was expecting a jacket potato as it comes from a jacket potato shop, but no. All spread out. Looks really good. Right, let me show you from above before I tuck in. Well, I'm looking forward to this. One more look before I tuck in, yeah? So we've got the chili con carne, we've got the dried onions, the jacket potatoes, we've got the cheese. So we've got the melted cheese on it, also the jalapenos and the bacon, the coleslaw, and we've got the side salad as well. Doesn't it look good? This looks really good. Right, let's tuck in. Give it a taste. So if it tastes as good as it looks. Nice and warm as well. Oh, very nice. This is very nice. Oh, the chili as well, really nice taste of the chili. Delicious. Not very often I have something like this, is it? It's normally fish and chips or breakfasts. I've had a few carveries, but this is good. I love eating the coleslaw as well. Check the coleslaw out. Wow. A little bit more of this, find a bit of the bacon. There you go, look at that, eh? Not just a normal jacket potato, this is not. Fully loaded. And it is, it's really good. I will be coming back here, definitely. Yeah, very, very nice. Right, leave me to tuck in and finish it, and we'll have a chat at the end, and I'll tell you if I liked it or not. As you can see, I do. But yeah, we'll see you in a minute.
How is it?
Really good.
It's beautiful. It's really, really good. Can't believe it.
My favourite. I have one every day.
Yeah, there's one every day. Every single day you have one of these. Yeah, and you do it yourself.
Yeah.
Wow, yeah, it's really, really nice. Like I said on camera, I was expecting, excuse me, expecting just a jacket potato.
Yeah.
But this is well presented and everything. It looks really nice, really delicious. Good stuff. Thank you. Nice guy, isn't he, eh? You need to just come see him. As you can see, my plate is empty. That was delicious. When I'm around here again, I'll be popping in here. I know I say that a lot of times, but I will be, because this was absolutely to die for. Incredible. As you know, normally fish and chips on breakfasts. This is something a little bit different, isn't it? So yeah, Kruzes Cafe, down Trunch Lane, Chapel St Leonards. How good is this? You need to pay them a visit. Now they're having this little conservatory built as well. You'll be able to eat inside a little bit as well, which is really, really good. Right, we'll have a chat with him before we go, and I'm going to thank him how good it was as well. Right, see you in a minute. Well, guys, I tell you what, that was amazing. That was. You're doing a smashing job, innit?
I enjoyed it.
You guys have got to come down here and try it out, haven't they? Yeah.
They've got to, yeah.
Yeah. So, what's your plans for the future? Are you going to extend more?
We're going to extend, yeah. So I own the tattoo shop next door as well.
Yeah.
So I'm going to push the tattoo studio further that way.
Yeah.
Make the cafe bigger.
Yeah.
With a bigger indoor seating area.
Well, I think he's going to do really well. And you guys, you're going to come, aren't you, and try all this food out and, experience it for yourself. Because I tell you what, I've really enjoyed that.
That's good.
I couldn't believe it, how it's presented and everything. You're doing a really good job. So, good luck for the future.
Thank you.
And thank you so much
No
for
worries.
inviting me as well. Yeah, I love coming, I love coming to these sort of places and looking after everybody, getting it out there. So you guys can come along. So we're on Trunch Lane, if I haven't told you already, Chapel St Leonards, right down the far end where the beach is. So we'll see you all here. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. And before we go, you've got to actually, if you haven't done already, to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. I caught him by surprise then, didn't I? Right, see you all later, guys. Thanks for tuning in. See you soon.
You are a traveller bold and free, from the heart of Northumberland to the sea, exploring Skegness, the seaside breeze, from Lincolnshire's